Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya and today's video is going to be Vlogmas day 6. I'm really excited about Vlogmas. I feel like it's been going really well. I've been really pushing myself to like edit my own videos, to film my own videos, edit my own videos, and just like post them. I feel like for so long I was just like, well, I can't edit my videos, it takes me too long to edit, and I just made it like this really big thing. But in editing my own videos, I realized it gives me so much creative freedom and I really like to do it. So don't worry, after Vlogmas we're gonna have regular content because it's so much easier for me now. So yeah, I don't know, I'm really proud. Today we're gonna do the November wrap up and December plan with me, which are videos I want to start bringing to my channel in the new year. We're gonna do that today, but right now your girl gotta get to work, so let's get it. Let's get that money, baby. It is much later. I had to change because I had to go to a few places, but I am a little exhausted, but we've got some stuff to do today. I want to do the November wrap up, the December plan with me. So again, you know, the theme of this Vlogmas is to get cozy. Come here, guys. Get cozy. So I'm about to get cozy, of course, and then I'm gonna grab me some tea. What's gonna be your drink? Let me know in the comments. What's your like nice, silly little drink that you're gonna have? And let me know if you actually got cozy with me. So let's go. So I got cozy, I took a shower, and I'm just waiting for my tea to brew. But while I wait for my tea to brew, let's open this package that I just got. It's from As I Am. That's a natural hair brand. Okay. Some of this I got for free, so that's great. So I got this rosemary water. Here we go. This rosemary water. It's supposed to help, I don't know, grow your hair, something like that. I got a rice water. I got this leave-in conditioner. Then I got another rice water. These were all free. I think that's the last one. Yep. So all 4 of these were free, which is like incredible. I got this for Black Friday. And then I got this moisturizing mask. This is the Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil moisturizing mask. I need this really bad. I told you guys I messed up my hair with the whole no oils and butter thing, and I was basically doing the no oils and no butter, which means I wasn't using any oils or any butters on my hair, and eventually, like over time, it essentially sucked all of the moisture out of my hair and made my hair dry and brittle, and it broke off. So I have a bunch of pieces of my hair that have just like completely broken off. It's a mess. It's a full mess. But I also got this double buttercream. So this has cocoa butter, shea butter, castor oil, jojoba oil, and sugar beet root. So I've got that. So I got all this stuff. Like, I don't know if I can even grab all of it. All this stuff from As I Am. I can't wait to try it. I feel like I'm gonna blow dry my hair today, and I wanna put some of this stuff in here. So hopefully I get a chance to do that today. If I don't get the chance to do it today, I'll do it tomorrow. Because you know, we still have to do the November plan with me, or November wrap up and the December plan with me. So once I get my tea, we're gonna go ahead and do that. So cool little haul. It's time to do my November plan with me and my December wrap up. So let's get straight into it. I use Milano to like track my entire life. So yeah, I highly recommend Milano. Okay, so my November 2024 goals were to post a blog post every week. I did do that. Post a YouTube video twice a month. I did not do that. So I have to strike through that. Post an Instagram video once a week. I did not do that. I did book one brand deal. Personal, read one book a week. I did read one book a week. I crocheted at least once a week. Read a book physically or on Kindle at least once a week. I believe I did this, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm gonna strike it because I don't remember. I read a lot of my books as audiobooks, like 95 to 100% audiobooks now. So in my head, I'm kind of like, can I still read a book physically? And like, I know I can, but it's been like a source of anxiety for me. So I'm trying to get myself to like read the books physically again. So yeah, I need to really push myself to do that. And I'm behind on my Goodreads list. So I feel like if I take time to read, like that's just, I need to do that. Buy one piece for my wardrobe once a week. I didn't do that. Crazy goal anyway. Try to snack more healthy and eat more balanced meals. I've been eating way more balanced meals, way healthier. I actually need to eat more though, but I will give myself a check on that. Drink more water. I would say I failed on that. I would say I failed. So out of all of my goals, I had one, two, oh, hold on really fast. I'm trying to figure out how many, okay. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 goals. And I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you know, 50%, not great, but like I'm proud of myself for even doing any of them. So let's figure out what my December 2024 goals are gonna be, because this is like, you know, this is the end of the year. This is my last chance. So I wanna try, I just started doing this, by the way, too. I just started making goals. So I'm actually really proud of myself for that. And I think it's a good sign for next year. It's just something I really wanna do. Okay, so let's see. Let's just delete this. And then add this here, perfect. Okay, so what do I want my goal to be? Okay, I want to post once a week on my vlogs. That's super important to me. I want to post once a week on Instagram Reel at my new account at It's Maya's Archives. I want to book one brand deal this month. I think that's it. Let's stay with 3. Let's stick with 3. I want to eat more meals. I feel like that's super important. I'm not eating enough food, and it's just, I know I'm not eating enough, so I really, really, really need to prioritize eating enough. To the point where it's like I can eat unhealthy. Like I want to eat healthy, but I can also eat unhealthy and be like perfectly fine. So I need to just embrace that. Eating more, because I've lost so much weight. Like it's ridiculous. And I try not to talk about my weight, but it's like the truth. Like I lost way too much weight, and it's because of my eating habits. So I want to eat more meals. I want to go to one yoga class, and I want to eat more meals, go to one yoga class, and I want to do my cozy hobbies at least once a week. For example, my crochet, my new knitting machine, or coloring. Okay, I feel like that is doable. let me know if you have any December 2024 goals. Is there anything that you're working on? I think 6 is reasonable. Like, I feel like if I put 6 goals, I can do them. I can have a much higher chance of doing all of them. So I feel good about that. So let me know if you have any goals in the comments or what you think about the goals that I set. But I'm going to see you tomorrow. This is the end of the vlog. I can talk. I promise I can talk. But this is the end of the vlog. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.